You called before about the overheating PlayStation? I like this stand. That thing's sick. That's super cool. Where'd you get that? Amazon? Nice. Hey, you can hold on to the power cable. You want to just make a ticket real quick for the new liquid metal and then also deep clean?
Yeah, here, this is a Tide Farm.
Ah, cool. Yeah, because over time, like especially if this is an old one, that metal just kind of starts to slide.
Yeah.
You're technically, I think, supposed to lay them flat, but most people stand them upright. But once I replace it, you'll be fine for that. You got the so I'm gonna show you what I was talking about before. So remember how I said like you can clean like the outside, like where the fan is, but in there, right? that's the part that actually causes it to get overheated. Okay. I'm sure it's gonna be a little worse once I actually get it open, okay. But that all gets cleaned out. Bald.